Wait. I always do that. Hey guys, it's Melanie. It's been the baddest minute since I've filmed, edited, uploaded, and I just want to say really sorry. Yeah, but it's summer break, so I've been kind of busy. I was at church camp, and then I was in Mexico for a while. So yeah, just getting back home and into the little distracted. Just getting back home and into the groove of things. So of course we're gonna start it off like with a haul, because like what else do I do? I mean, like, yeah. But these are just some things I picked up like before Mexico, in Mexico, like during vacation. I don't know, random things. Honestly, I'm just like showing you some random stuff, okay? So yeah, that's what's happening. But first off in this entire haul, oh, that didn't, do you see this? Okay, so like I don't think I ever like formally said like thank you guys so much for 100,000, but like yeah,
thank you guys so much for 100,000.
I mean, I hit it like a long time ago. I think it was in December, which was like, what month is it now? It's July. Like 7 months ago. I'm a little dumb, and I didn't know you have to like send in a code or something. I thought they were just gonna magically I thought it was just gonna appear at my house. So I was like, YouTube, where's my plaque? Like, I want to take pics with it, you know? But then like I was like, after like 6 months, I was like, bro, it's been half a year. Like, this is kind of a long time. So then I was like looking it up, and then I was like,
I'm supposed to do something.
So yeah, little dumb story, but you know, it finally got here. It took 7 months, but it's okay. It came here. I just want to say thank you guys so much, because obviously it's you guys. So I mean, yeah, thank you guys so much, and just wanted to like flex on you a little bit. Just aside from that, let's start with the little haul. And yeah, it's pretty small considering the big hauls that I've done, but I mean, you know. So I'm calling this a Brandy Melville haul because clickbait. I mean, duh, like everyone loves Brandy. Like, I have Brandy in here. Don't worry. Like, I'm not
a complete liar.
I just also have some other stuff. So I have Brandy. I have a few shirts from Mexico, because I was like, I like getting shirts from places, okay? Like,
it's exciting.
And then I also got some stuff from Shein, which literally came like a month ago. I'm so sorry, Shein. I literally suck, but it's good stuff, so I'll show you. And then this is also gonna be try on, because everybody loves try on, and everyone rips my butt when it's not try on. So, and you guys better appreciate it, because it's like 90 degrees out. It's not 90, it's like 80. I'm just a little dramatic. It's like 90 degrees out, and like if you didn't know, like try on hauls are already a workout to start with. So I'm gonna be like stripping and changing, and that's my workout. It like works up a fat sweat, so you better appreciate it. Plus they're like sweaters. I don't know why this haul is literally like sweaters, but yeah, let's get started. Look how nicely I folded all the stuff. Okay. I folded the stuff super nicely for this haul, which just shows how much time I have during the summer, because like, I don't know, man, I have so much time, and I cleaned my whole room today. I'm being an angel. First off, I got this 2-piece set. I love 2-piece sets because you can wear it like, you could wear one of the pieces, or you could wear both of the pieces, so it's like, it's basically 3 different outfits in one. 2-piece sets is all I brought to Mexico. And by the way, I way overpacked from Mexico. It was crazy. Like, I think I wore like a third of the stuff I brought. It was so bad, and like my suitcase was so heavy. It was like 50 pounds. Oh, it was so bad. Okay, just ignore that. This is my first thing from Shein. I really like it. I'll show some pictures because I don't want to try it on, but I wore it for pics a lot because it's so adorable. This is the top. It's like the little, what do I call this? Popcorn, when it's all like stretchy like that. And then it has kind of thick straps, you know. It's like a croppy top. I really like these pants too, because I've been trying to get into like some more exciting pants rather than just jeans and leggings and sweatpants, because I was like, I want some like cute fun pants because I'm trying to be more stylish, okay? So these are freaking amazing. They're like the paper bag pants, kind of. Like, they have the little ribbon thingy that goes through here on the waist, and then you can tie it into a cute little bow. Like, how adorable. And then it has the little frilly thingy on top, except these ones don't go in. They're just like, the bottoms are like, I don't even know what that's called. It's just straight cut. When I wear these, like this two-piece set together, it makes me look like tall, not tall, a little tall, which is like what I'm going for because I'm freaking 4 feet. Okay, so this next thing I got is a bikini, so I'll put some pics in it. But this is just the little checkered, like, whatever gingham, whatever it's called. And it's blue, high-waisted bottoms. How cool. They have high-waisted everything nowadays. And this is the top. Looks kind of weird right here, but I'll try it on for you right now. So basically, it's one of those tie tops, which is, like, really great because, I don't know, it's a style, you know? So basically, I would totally wear this to school any day and just tie it over my shirt like this because, honestly, it's just a look. But this is what it looks like. Really cute, and it's just great. So that's how you wear it, basically. I can't wait to wear this back to school. Basically a back to school haul, but yeah. This is great. Love it. And then, this last thing, I'm so mad because I didn't wear this when I was in Mexico, and it's really, really cute, but I have nowhere else to wear it because I don't go places. Like, the only place I could think wearing this is if I went to, like, a wedding in Hawaii or something. I don't know, because, like, okay, look at this. The print is so... Ignore the sirens. The print is literally, like, my aesthetic. Like, it's so, like, I love it. Like, I love it, man. And it's so nice. Just so nice, okay? And then this is the top, and the top is also like, it's pretty sheer, and it has like the tie front thing. Okay, I'll put it on also. But it's like this, and then you like tie it here, you see? But like, where am I gonna wear something like this? This is kind of revealing, you know what I'm saying? Kind of revealing. Like, I can't just wear this, like, show up to school in this because I think I'd be freaking sent home because it's kind of like, can you guys tell me where to wear this? Because this is so cute, and I just want to take pictures of it, okay? Life is hard. I don't know why I didn't wear it while I was in Mexico. I was just going a little crazy, okay? So, yeah. Next thing. Why are there sirens? Like, can people stop dying for a second, please? Sorry, that was really insensitive. I did not mean that. So, usually I get, like, one shirt or clothing item when I, like, go on vacation and stuff, but this time, I got 3. Yeah, that happened. So, tell me if this is ugly, because you know how sometimes you see things and you're like, that's so, like, artsy and cute and, like, quirky and stuff. Like, I love it. Like, that was me. But then, at the same time, I was like, that's kind of ugly. But then I was like, whatever, I'll just do it, you know? So, this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like, 80s shirt that my mom would wear, or, like, something a little kid would wear. I don't know, but it's probably gonna be a sleeve shirt, so I'm chilling. But, yeah, that's what it looks like. Dig it. Then I got this one, which is just like a plain, like, just like chillin', like embroidered, like, I don't know, really basic shirt, and I like this one also, so I was like, okay. I don't know about you guys, but like, I love thrifting my t-shirts because I like it when my t-shirts are like super soft and like worn in, and I hate the feeling of new t-shirts because they're all like rough and like not that comfortable. So I'm gonna just like throw it in the wash like 300 times, and then, you know, maybe it'll be comfy. And then I got this one, and I think this one's really, like, I don't know, something about it just spoke to me. It reminds me of the shirts at Brandy Melville, which is what I say about everything because I'm freaking annoying, but yeah. And it's this creamish color, so don't at me and say that my shirt is dirty, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And I already wore it, and I really love it, so it's kind of cool. It has boats on it and little fishies. Yeah. And it says Puerto Vallarta. Okay, now onto the actual Brandy stuff, which is the name of this haul, but like, don't at me, okay? So, okay. So, I'll start off with this item. This is, I'm a bit of a liar because this is Brandy, but it's, I thrifted it, so pretty cool. I was pretty proud of this purchase. I got this at a Value Village for like $3, and I love it. It just says Malibu, which is my future home, so get ready for me. Malibu, California on the sleeve too, and it's this shade of blue that I like. I don't know what this shade is called, but I like it, and yeah, it's just really cool. Great. I don't know what else to say, honestly. And then I got this shirt. I really like this one. It's a tad bit revealing. You can see on the try-on because you can't really tell here, but it has like a really deep V-neck, which I don't really have boobs, so it's fine, it's fine. And then it has like a little scrunch thing. It's nice, it's nice. I love it. It kind of reminds me of like a ballerina top. I'm not a ballerina, like, but it's okay. I really like it. I got this tank top, which is spanking adorable. And I'll put some pictures of me in it, and I'll try it on because I love it. And it's also that little popcorny thing, and this is like the comfiest tank top ever, and it expands so much that like I could eat at a buffet for like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I could just wear this top and it'd be all Gucci, you know? And then on the back it has these two little bows, which honestly I think they're a little weird because like they're bows like on the back. I don't know, I just think it's weird, but I mean I don't really care because I really like this. And I just like the color because it's like a really, really pastel pink. I think it's just a lovely color. Lovely. And then the last two things are sweatshirts because it's not like 80 degrees out right now. I need more sweatshirts, obviously. But I got this one, and it's just a cropped white one. And even though it's cropped, it's like normal length on me because I'm a midget. But it's, you know, it's cool. It's great. I love it. But I really like this because, I don't know, for some reason when it's cropped, it just makes you look less like a hobo. So, and then I also got, this is the last item by the way, I got this one. As you can tell, I really like this color, but it's just a quarter zip. I freaking love quarter zips. I just think they're like genius or something. I don't know, they're great. But this one, I wore this on all my trips on the plane because it's huge and it's so comfortable and I love it, and it's the best thing ever, and it's great and I like it. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. But yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my Brandy plus a few others haul, and I'm so happy to be talking to you guys again. I miss you guys so much. And give me video requests, por favor, because yeah, I want to film more stuff, and I'm trying to move out of the hauls because like all I do is hauls. So I mean of course I'm never gonna stop hauls, but I mean like yeah. So let me know, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. Bye, y'all.